My name is Bajan Cisse. I would like to share with you my experience with David Saperstein and Solomon. They've been very helpful in my case. Unfortunately, I got into a accident and was referred by a friend to this great law firm that could assist me with getting help with my situation. So from the start, the moment that I started, they've been very friendly, very helpful, very responsive to my care and my needs, very efficient. They provided a little booklet trying to instruct me on how to take this experience and know what I need to know about car accidents in the future because I was really clueless. Um, so not only I gained knowledge, I gained uh, much needed assistance when I was just a random person who got hit by a car. So, with that being said, they were very friendly again. The staff would send letters over to see if everything's being taken care of. They would contact the medical department. They referred several people that I could see, chiropractors, etc. Instead of me making calls to the insurance company, they would just take care of everything. All I had to do was to fill up the paperwork, notarize them, and frankly just be in touch with them as they always followed up. But again, very easy experience. Wasn't that long. Um, the doctors that they referred were also very helpful. They had a good relationship with Kinda, which accelerated the process and made everything easier for me again. So, with that being said, I would like to thank the firm for their help and their secretary too. Very helpful all together and a very friendly atmosphere in the firm. Thank you.